Good morning class. We'll do the revision of lesson number 2 today. Lesson number 2 is common and proper nouns. What is being said here? Read these sentences. My father was reading the news times. The tourists visited the Charminar. Ramesh went to Pune by bus. The words father, tourist and bus are common nouns, while news times and Charminar, Ramesh and Pune are proper nouns. Dear students, as we all know that common nouns are the names a person, place, animal or things. Common nouns do not begin with a capital letter. A common noun names a person, place, animal or a thing. It does not begin with a capital letter. For example, the men wore a tie. Here, we are not talking about any specific men and we are not talking about any specific tie. That's why this men and tie both are common noun. A proper noun is the special name of a person, place, animal or thing. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. For example, Ruhi has a cat named Ginger. Here the name Ruhi and Ginger both are proper nouns because they are the special names given to a person, place, animal or a thing. My brother lives in Assam. Assam is a proper noun and it is written with a capital letter. I use Fresh Glow toothpaste. Here the name of the toothpaste is given. A specific name which has been given to the toothpaste is used here. So Fresh Glow is a proper noun. Now we will do the exercise. Replace the underlined words in each sentence with suitable proper nouns. Here it is being said that you have to replace these nouns with a proper noun. We have to use a name for these underlined words so that this sentence can have some proper nouns. We are going to play a game. Here a game is underlined. It means that we have to name a game here. We are going to play Scrabble. Scrabble is the name of the game which is being used. So this specific game is a proper noun. She got a book from the library. Here she and book is underlined. That means we have to give a specific name in place of she and a book. I have given Meena in place of she and the Arabian Nights book in place of the book. Meena got the Arabian Nights book from the library. My friend and I took a trip to a city. Here my friend and a city is underlined. That means we have to name a friend and a city. Satish and I took a trip to Goa. Sentence number 4. The singer gave a stunning performance. Here the singer is underlined. So I have given the name Sunidhi Chauhan in place of the singer. Sunidhi Chauhan gave a stunning performance. My sister gave me a bar of chocolate. My sister, you have to name your sister, and chocolate. So I have written Sheetal and in place of the chocolate I have written dairy milk. Sheetal gave me a bar of dairy milk. The boy was going to the grocer. We have to name the boy. Manish was going to the grocer. The woman is reading a magazine. Mrs. Das, we have to write here Mrs. Das is reading Rupayan. We are going to an amusement park. We are going to Kidsy. He is watching a cartoon show. He is watching Tom and Jerry. We will be celebrating a festival together. We will be celebrating Diwali together. As you can see, a festival was underlined, so I have written Diwali in place of the festival. Now, as you can see, exercise B is given. Exercise B is saying that you have to write these words in correct columns. You have to put common nouns in this column and proper nouns in this column. Garden, as you know that garden is not a name of a specific garden, so we will write garden in common nouns. As you can see, it's written here. Hotel. Hotel is also common. Alice in the Wonderland. Alice in the Wonderland is a specific name, so you will write it in the proper nouns column. Tree, you will write tree in common nouns column. Mangalore. Mangalore is a proper noun, so you will write it here, Mangalore. See, I have written. Anil. Anil is also a specific name, that means it is a proper noun. You will write it in proper nouns column. Fly high airways. It is also a specific name given to the airways, so you will write it in the proper nouns column. Fridge. Fridge is a common noun. You will write it here in this column, common nouns column. Mattress is a common noun, so you will write it here. Floral dyeing. Floral dyeing is a specific name, that's why we will write it here. Playground. Playground is a common noun, so you will write it in the common nouns column. Boat. Boat is also common, so you will write it here in the common nouns column. Jupiter is a specific name, so you will write it in the proper nouns column. Singapore is a name given to a specific place, so you will write Singapore in proper nouns column. Stephen Hawking is a proper noun, so you will write here in the proper nouns column. Paper, leaf, television, all the three of these are common nouns, so you will write it here. Paper, leaf and television will be written in the common nouns column because they are not the specific name given to a particular television or leaf or paper. That's why we will write it here. Chocolate crunch. You will write chocolate crunch in proper nouns column because it is a specific name given to a specific thing. Tractor is a common noun. You will write it in the common nouns column. Sugarcane is also common noun. Fruity fun is a specific name given to a particular thing, so you will write it in the proper nouns column. And last is the goat. Goat is a common noun, so you will write it in this common nouns column. That's all for today, dear students. I hope you all have revised this lesson well and complete your work in your fair notebooks if you haven't. Thank you and have a good day.